Hello everyone. This is my 2007 Ford F-150 Lariat with a 5.4 liter 3-valve Triton engine. And a little video I wanted to do today. I'm making this as a response to another video on YouTube that a guy seems to be is looking for answers on. And he said that his F-150 he made a video on it, makes a rattling noise when it first starts up. Generally when it sits for a while and starts it back up, and it makes like a click, you know, like a clacking noise, more like a rattling noise, but I'm not good at demonstrating. Anyway, this truck has done that same exact thing since I got it. I got this truck with 42,000 miles on it, and I noticed it always did that noise either on cold starts or if you let it sit for a while. The thing about the 5.4 3-valve Triton V8s is like a lot of engines they have hydraulic timing chain tensioners on them, which means they require oil pressure from the oil pump to tighten the chain. They work hydraulically. So when you leave the engine shut off for a while, they will as they leak down from leaky gaskets on the tensioner, it will cause them to back off on their tension on the chain. So when it starts up, what you're hearing is the timing chain tensioner is no longer tight on the chain, therefore causes the chain to rattle when you start it up. I'm fixing to demonstrate my truck doing the same thing. Like I said, I got this truck with 42,000 on it. It has almost 105,000 on it now. So I am going to start it. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Roll this window down. Okay. Keep in mind this truck has been sitting for about 3.5 hours, which is long enough for it to leak the oil down in the tensioners. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start it. You will hear it very clearly. You could see when I started it, you could hear that click, 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 click. And that was slacking timing chain from the tensioners leaking down, so they lost their tension. But you see, this truck has never ever had a problem. It's still quiet. It's just like a normal characteristic of the engine. Yeah, you can fix it by putting new tensioners on it, but if it was such, it's not a problem, because if it was, I'd be having serious trouble. You can tell, you can listen and tell there is no chain noise. Engine is just perfectly smooth. There's no ticks, there's no clacks, there's no clatter of the chain of any sort. And it's just something that this truck has done ever since I got it. Maybe even when it was almost new, or since new. So anyway, that was just a little video, and you will see now that it's been running, the tensioners have got oil in them. It won't rattle now, as I will show. See? No sound. So it's just the timing chain tensioners leaking down, and they just lose their tension. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.